Hello, my dear student. Myself, HB Jadhav, subject physics, and today we take the lecture number 4 on the chapter that is optics. It means already you have started this chapter optics in the previous lecture, and we up to this we are taking the two lectures on the chapter that is optics. In the first lecture of optics, we are collected the information related to the light, and then the phenomena related to the light or the phenomena which are observed in case of light. These phenomena are get classified in three heads. It means you can done the study of the light in three ways. First one, that is the ray optics or geometrical optics. In this ray optics or geometrical optics, we are studying the phenomena such as reflection, refraction, double refraction, total internal reflection, etc. All these phenomena are studied in the ray optics or geometrical optics. Second one, that is the wave optics. Light is nothing but the wave. And third one, that is the particle nature of the light. Light is nothing but the particle. This wave nature and particle nature, this part you have to study in the next year, that is in 12th standard. Here you have to study only the ray optics or geometrical optics. Okay. So what is mean by ray of light? The particular direction of the propagation of the light energy, the particular direction of the propagation of the light energy from the source of light, it is called as the ray of light. म्हणजे सोर्स ऑफ लाईट पासून लाईट ज्या पर्टिक्युलर डिरेक्शनला जातोय, लाईट एनर्जी ज्या पर्टिक्युलर डिरेक्शनला जाते, दॅट पाथ इज कॉल्ड एज द रे ऑफ लाईट. त्याला काय म्हणतो आपण? रे ऑफ लाईट. सो while studying the ray optics or geometrical optics or these geometrical optics or ray optics, see here, this is the ray of light. It means light energy is goes or propagate in this direction. Okay, this is called as the ray of light. So these ray optics or geometrical optics, it is based on four fundamental laws. Already I have studied this part in the lecture number 3. Ray optics or geometrical optics is based on three fundamental laws. First one, that is light is travel in a straight line. Okay. Second one, two or more rays can intersect at a point without affecting their path beyond that point. म्हणजे दोन किंवा अनेक लाईटचे रेज एका पॉइंटला इंटरसेक्ट झाले म्हणजे छेदणे. But when they intersect, they do not affect their path beyond this point. म्हणजे इंटरसेक्ट होण्याच्या अगोदर त्यांचे जे मार्ग असणारे, इंटरसेक्ट झाल्यानंतर सुद्धा त्यांचे मार्ग तेच राहणार आहे, मार्ग बदलणार नाही. इट मीन्स आफ्टर इंटरसेक्टिंग they do not affect their path. Okay. Next one, third law, that is the laws of reflection. You know, incident ray, reflected ray and normal lie in the same plane. Angle of incidence and angle of reflection are equal. Then laws of refraction, again incident ray, normal and refracted ray lies in the same plane. And then second one, that is the Snell's law, that is n1 sin theta 1 is equal to n2 sin theta 2. All these part you have completed in the previous lecture. Here you have to study the ray optics or geometrical optics. And this ray optics or geometrical optics is studied with the help of mirror or lens. If you consider the mirror, there are two type of concave mirror and convex mirror, spherical mirror. This is the concave mirror. If you draw in this way, then it is the convex mirror. Again, lens. There are two type of lens, convex lens and concave lens. This is the convex lens. This one is the concave lens. When you study these ray optics or geometrical optics, with the help of these lens or mirror, at that time, you have to measure some distances such as object distance, image distance, focal length, radius of curvature. To measure such a distances, we have to use some rules that is called as the Cartesian sign convention. म्हणजे लेन्स किंवा मिररच्या बाबतीमध्ये किंवा लेन्स किंवा मिरर वापरून ज्यावेळेस तुम्ही लाईटचा स्टडी करताय ॲट दॅट टाइम we have to measure the object distance or image distance or focal length, etc. And these distances are measured in case of mirror or lens according to some rule that is sign convention. म्हणजे त्याला आपल्याला साइन द्यावं लागतं. केव्हा ते डिस्टन्स पॉझिटिव्ह घ्यायचंय, केव्हा निगेटिव्ह घ्यायचंय. That is the sign convention. This part already you know. You are studied in the lower stand only. See, before to this Cartesian sign convention, see here. Suppose this is the concave mirror. When the light is incident on this concave mirror, it gets reflected, and after reflection, suppose this light is incident, and when it gets reflected, suppose that light comes here. After reflection, suppose all that light is collected here. After reflection or refraction, when all that light is collected at a point, that point is called as the principal focus. त्याला काय म्हणतो आपण? Principal focus. Then the geometrical center of the mirror of the lens, that is called as the pole, or it is called as the optical center. म्हणजे त्याचा जो geometrical center असणार आहे, that geometrical center is called as the pole, or it is called as the optical center. Generally आपण pole म्हणूया त्या ठिकाणी. When that lens is thin, at that time, that its geometrical center is called as the pole. Okay, this is pole, this one is the principal focus. And suppose when you place object here, the distance of the object from here, that is denoted by, it means object distance is denoted by u. And suppose we get the image here, the image distance is denoted by v. Only remember that in case of mirror or lens, the object distance is denoted by u, and the mirror or lens give the image of that object, and that image distance is denoted by v. Here it is the principal focus. The distance between the pole and principal focus, it is called as the focal length. It is called as the focal length. It is denoted by f. All these part you know. So, to measure these distances, we have to use the sign convention. We have to use sign convention. Or when you are studying the ray optics or geometrical optics, we have to use the sign convention. थोडक्यात रे ऑप्टिक स्टडी करताना आपल्याला हे साइन कन्व्हेन्शन वापरायचे. सी, very simple part. All distances are measured from the optical center or pole. In case of mirror or lens, all distances are measured from pole or optical center. याला pole म्हणा किंवा optical center म्हणा. In case of mirror or less, all the distances are measured from this pole. या पोल पासूनच सर्व डिस्टन्सेस मेजर करायचे. ओके, व्हेरी सिंपल. फॉर मोस्ट ऑफ द ऑप्टिकल ऑब्जेक्ट्स such as spherical mirrors or thin lenses, etc., the optical center or pole is nothing but the geometrical center of that optical objects. म्हणजे मिरर असेल किंवा लेन्स असेल, when these are thin, बारीक असेल, at that time the geometrical center of that mirror is nothing but the pole of that mirror. The geometrical center या मिरर या लेन्सचा geometrical center कुठे असणार आहे? इथे. The geometrical center of that optical objects is nothing but the pole of that lens or optical center of that lens. That is it. So, all the distances are measured from the pole of the mirror or lens. Okay. Second, while drawing the figure should be drawn in such a way that the incident light travel from left to right. ज्या वेळेस तुम्ही लेन्स किंवा मिररची फिगर काढणार at that time, remember that the incident light should be travel from left to right. हे लक्षात ठेवा, हा नेम लक्षात ठेवा. Incident light should be travel from left to right. It means while drawing the diagram at that time, the object should be kept or placed to the left of the pole. To the left of the pole. म्हणजे याच्या डाव्या बाजूलाच ऑब्जेक्ट पाहिजे. नेहमी ऑब्जेक्ट कुठं पाहिजे? डाव्या बाजूला. ऑब्जेक्ट शुड बी केप्ट टू द लेफ्ट साइड. So figure should be drawn in such a way that the incident rays travel from left to right. Okay. Third, a line passing through principal focus and pole, it is called either, याला काय म्हणायचे? प्रिन्सिपल ऍक्सिस. It is called as the principal axis. A line passing through the principal focus and pole, it is called as the principal axis. What this? So, x-axis can be conveniently chosen as the principal axis with origin at the pole. So, हा x-axis आपण म्हणतोय. It is considered as a principal axis with pole as a origin. तसा x axis जर बघितला आपण, समजा इथे ओरिजिन म्हणतो आपण, ठीक आहे. Now next, the distances to the right of the pole are taken positive and the distances left to the pole are taken as negative. म्हणजे आता इथे बघा, पोल पासून राईटला जर डिस्टन्स मेजर केलं, इट इज कन्सिडर ॲज पॉझिटिव्ह, आणि पोल पासून लेफ्टला जर तुम्ही डिस्टन्स मेजर केलं, देन इट इज कन्सिडर ॲज निगेटिव्ह. ऑर इफ यू मेजर द डिस्टन्स फ्रॉम द पोल इन द डिरेक्शन ऑफ इन्सिडेंट लाईटच्या डिरेक्शनला जर तुम्ही डिस्टन्स मेजर केला, then it is considered as positive, and if we measure the distance in opposite direction of the incident light च्या opposite ला जर तुम्ही distance consider केलं किंवा measure केलं, then it is considered as negative. Distances measured above the principal axis, it is considered as positive, and the distances measured below the principal axis, it is considered as negative. Very simple part. Here, कार्टेशियन कोऑर्डिनेट सिस्टीम. समजा याला जर पोल म्हटलं तुम्ही, पोलच्या राईटला जर डिस्टन्स मेजर केलं, इट इज पॉझिटिव्ह. लेफ्टला डिस्टन्स मेजर केलं, हे काय घ्यायचं? निगेटिव्ह. या प्रिन्सिपल ऍक्सिस पासून वरती डिस्टन्स मेजर केलं, देन इट इज कन्सिडर ॲज पॉझिटिव्ह, and below it is negative. काहीच प्रॉब्लेम नाही. आणि फक्त फिगर काढताना the object should be shown to the left of the pole. Okay, these are the Cartesian sign convention. These are the Cartesian sign convention. म्हणजे ज्यावेळेस तुम्हाला प्रॉब्लेम सोडायचे आहेत त्यावेळेस ही डिस्टन्सेस हे नेम तुम्हाला त्या ठिकाणी वापरावे लागणार आहे. सपोज ऑब्जेक्ट इकडे दाखवलेले मग पोल पासून जर डिस्टन्स मेजर केलं तुम्ही हे ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टन्स काय घ्यावं लागेल आपल्याला निगेटिव्ह. सपोज इमेज इज आल्सो फॉर्म हिअर, या साईडला इमेज तयार झालेली मग इमेज डिस्टन्स मेजर करायचं. या केसमध्ये काय घेणार तुम्ही निगेटिव्ह. समजा इमेज जर तुम्हाला इकडे फॉर्म झाली हे तुमचं ऑब्जेक्ट असेल, ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टन्स काय येणार आहे निगेटिव्ह आणि इमेज डिस्टन्स काय येणार आहे पॉझिटिव्ह. Got this? This is the Cartesian sign convention, very simple part. And now next part, that is very important part that you have to study, that is the reflection. And you have to study here the reflection from plane surface.